fluff this out. Okay, Cookie's coming alive, y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am happy to bring you all this video. As you can see by the title, I'm about to create this Taraji P Henson inspired makeup look. I actually have these extensions. I was scrolling through the gram and I was like, oh, there's my inspiration. So I'm about to bring you this look. Hope I do it justice. Hope I do her justice, because she looks so bomb in that picture and I'm just like, I need to recreate this. So this is what this makeup look is gonna be about. I'm gonna make this really brief, honestly. I'm gonna try to make it very brief because I had some subscribers tell me that the steps are too many and they're very simple girls and they just want to be able to go in and go out. I actually have some makeup tutorials that are way simpler than my very extensive ones. In case you guys want to see that, I have one for the office that I did a while ago, so I'll be sure to put that down below. So without further ado, let's get into this look, and I will get started with my base and I will move on to the eyes after. I have already moisturized, I've already primed. I'm gonna go straight into the look. Lately I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me. Not that it's any lighter, but I just got it back recently. I've had it before. This one is for normal to oily skin and this is the matte poreless. So I'm gonna apply it all over the face. I hate this just because there's no pump, but I think there's some, like the newer bottles with a pump, I believe. I am not sure. I'm gonna go in with the Caramel Concealer by e.l.f. I really like this one. I think it's quite popular and it's cheap and it works. Like, you cannot go wrong, y'all. You apply this to just brighten up the under eye and highlight the high points of the face, forehead, your bridge of your nose. Some people do the chin. Let's just do a little bit. Why not? Laura Mercier setting powder in the shade Deep, and I'm just going underneath the eye where I applied that concealer and setting everything. And I'm using my favorite ever MAC. MAC be coming through, y'all. Like, don't sleep on MAC. Even if we have all these new brands these days, like MAC has been around. It's like the OG of makeup and it just works. I'm using this blush by MAC. It's so old, the name has worn off, but I have not thrown it away because it works. And who throws away blush? Who? Just a smidge, because we are gonna have like a very uniform look with the color of my hair. So how many of you guys love Taraji P Henson? Like, she's fire, y'all. Like, she blew up on Empire. Like, she's been in the game for a long time, but Empire is really like what that kind of, like, I don't know, it almost defines her. Cookie is Cookie Monster, but she's like really good and just an overall great actress, and she seems like a nice person. I'm here for her all day, every day. I'm gonna use my tried and true. I am very much addicted to this at this point. It keeps your makeup in place. It's an eyeshadow potion primer by Urban Decay. Love this. I use it religiously because it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Your makeup stays in place. Like, I have very oily lids and I need this. Need it because it just does the trick. And there are very nice, like, innovative new ones like the P. Louise base that I haven't tried. I really want to try that, but I stick to this one because it is the bomb. All right, I'm using the Beauty Creations and I'm going in with this color right here to go in my crease, because I think her look was kind of neutral, but still she had a touch of color. So we're gonna go in with a shimmer. I want it to be more gold though. And here I am using the LA Girl brow pomade to carve the brows and just making sure that they are nice and sculpted. This is in the shade dark brown. And now we're gonna use our concealer to shape the eyes. Make it nice and sharp because she has really sharp brows, which I love, by the way. Alright, I think I'm good with that. For the lids, she only has like black liner on top of the lid. She doesn't have a wing or anything like I like to have, so I will just go in with the same. It's relatively thick, but it's not winged out. So I got me some really dramatic lashes from the dollar store. I know. You take it where you can get it. So I'm gonna go in with these. They look like that, very feathery, very bold, very big. Am I looking like Taraji P Henson yet? So I'm gonna go in with like my darkest brown shadow and kind of line underneath. I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer, my lash primer of all time, the Seal Booster. Coat my bottom lashes, and then I go in with one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Hypnose Drama, which I think I need a new one. I'm gonna go in with my favorite highlight, the Mega Glow highlight by Wet n Wild. I think her cheeks were very highlighted, so I'm gonna repeat that. Alright, I'm liking that. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner by Jordana, and this is in the shade Cabernet. I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss over that. I'm not doing lipstick today because her look was very, like she had some tint, but it was sheer. Yes, volume. She had it like really wild. All right, I'm gonna put a side by side of the photo. What do y'all think? Did I nail it or not? I really love how this turned out. It is like totally complementing the hair. I think her eye look was a little lighter. This is just an inspiration and slash recreation, and so I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna take some bomb pictures for the gram, you know, and that is it. So yeah, this is Taraji P Henson inspired look. I love it. I am literally obsessed. Maybe not your typical summer look, but why not? I mean, there are literally no rules. I love this. So that is it for the makeup look. Thank you as always for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, I will put the link down below so you guys can check that video. All right, that is it. Bye bye.